Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe this channel because this channel is the learning hub for all mathematical solution. Today problem is 2a minus 3 divided by 2 equals 160. You have to find the value of a. So how we will start solving this question? First of all, we will do the cross multiplication. We get 2a minus 3 equals 2 times 160. Then we have 2a minus 3 equals 2 times of 160 is 320. Now here is the minus 3 added, subtracted, it will be added. We have 2a equals 320 plus 3. Now what will happen to this? 323, we get the value of 2a equals 323. Now to find the value of a, we will divide 323 by 2. And what will be the answer? Answer is 161.5. So this is the answer. You can see, first of all, we have done cross multiplication. Then we solve this as see that minus 3 is subtracted, it will be added. Then divide this by 2, we get 161.5. Now I will solve this question by using another method. That how you will solve this by another technique. First of all, you will write 2a, split this fraction, 2a by 2 minus 3 by 2 equals 160. Then 2 and 2 are cancelled out. A minus 3 by 2 equals 1.5. That equals 160. Now minus is here, minus is subtracted, it will be added. So a equals 160 plus 1.5. So a equals 161.5. So this is the answer, that you can see a equals 161.5. In this way, we have just split down the fraction and then solve this just by completing this division, and then minus will be added to this side and we get the answer. Now we will solve another technique here using another method. Let's suppose x equals 2a minus 3. Then x by 2 equals 160. X equals 2 times 160. Then you get the value equals 320. Then put this in original equation, the value of x, that is 320 equal to a minus 3. Then minus 3 is added to this. You get 323 equals 2a. Now what will be the answer? So a equals 323 divided by 2. We get the value of a is 161.5. So this is the final answer. Now we will solve another Olympiad problem in the next video. If you have not still subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe this channel because this channel is a learning hub for all mathematical videos related to O levels, A levels, IGCSE and GCSE and many others competitive exam solution. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.